kind of scraggly, bigger tree that blew over and stuff. So now they've made a,
Oh, I see. They planted a pile of little guys,
yeah,
which someday will be big guys like these.
little block of view, I guess. But
Yeah, but it's
keeps the
also,
wind off the golf course.
well, it keeps the wind off the golf course, but also gives you a fighting chance at hitting a tree so your ball doesn't go in the river. If there's a way to get a ball in the water, I got it. Okay, so here we are. Oh, this is really pretty here. So now this would be looking almost out of your front porch anyway, wouldn't it?
No, right
No?
there.
Oh, back that way.
When there's a gap, you know where the sun goes between the gap? That's
Yeah.
it right there.
So what are these?
That's Rundle. There's 10 peaks and it goes all the way to Banff. It's like one massive called Rundle.
Yeah. You skied that?
No, people do though. They do it like the traverse, but you need ropes and everything.
Oh, you got to climb, eh?
Yeah. But I think there's 10 of them.
Cool.
But, and that's the one at the end is Cascade. You know, when you walk down Banff Main Street.
Oh, that's the one you see?
That's
Yeah.
the one.
And then these fellows over here, though, that's,
It's just called the Front Range. I think it's more going to the east now.
and that's the, what do you call it? Indian's Tit?
Squaw's Tit.
Squaw's Tit, same diff. God. Quite spectacular, though, eh?
So when you were playing golf out there, you had a nice. Remember you said it was a 360 view.
Well, I was never playing golf out there.
I thought you played on the public course here.
No, I've never been here in the summer.
Well,